Hello and welcome back to my channel Arna Rocks, and in my today's video my topic would be knowing about rocky planets, asteroid belt, gas giants, ice giants and dwarf planets. So first let us start with a rocky planet. A terrestrial planet or a rocky planet are the planets which are mainly made up of metals and silicate rocks, and they are the inner planets closest to the Sun, which means before the asteroid belt. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are rocky planets. And do you know that Mars is smaller than Earth, and it is in fact half the size of our Earth? So think how small it is. And do you know that Mercury is not the hottest planet? The hottest planet is Venus, because Mercury has no atmosphere, but Venus has a thick layer of atmosphere. Once the sun rays goes into it, it never comes out because of the atmosphere. And this is the picture of all the rocky planets exist in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Now let us move to the next topic, which is asteroid belt. Asteroid belt is located between Mars and Jupiter, and it contains more than 1.9 million asteroids, and it also contains the biggest asteroid in our solar system, which is Ceres, a dwarf planet, and it is controlled by Jupiter because of Jupiter's high gravitational force. Now let us move to the next topic, which is gas giants. There are two gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn. Jupiter and Saturn, both of them do not have any solid surface because they are made up of gases, and they both have rings, but Jupiter's rings are not be able to see because they are very light, but Saturn's rings are very beautiful and they can be seen at the night time. And do you know that there is a great red spot on the Jupiter's surface? Or it is not a crater in itself. It's a storm which is going on to Jupiter's surface for hundreds of years. Now let us do some extras. Now let us move to the moons which every planet has. So Mercury and Venus are all alone because Mercury is very small and would not be able to hold any moon, and Venus has a mystery behind it why it doesn't have any moon. And we all know that our Earth has one moon and Mars has two moons, but both of them don't have a round shape. They are rough. Jupiter has 79 moons and Ganymede is the largest moon in our solar system. And Saturn has 53 confirmed moons and 29 waiting for confirmation. But I am shocked to hear that Titan has its own atmosphere, which is not common for any moon. And Uranus has 27 moons and Neptune has 14 moons. Now let us move to the last topic, which is dwarf planets. This is a short list of dwarf planets: Pluto, Eris, Charon, Makemake, etc. Dwarf planets are worlds that are too small to be considered full-fledged planets, but too large to fall into smaller categories, which means that dwarf planets are the worlds that are too small to be considered as a planet, but too large to fall into smaller categories. Thank you. In my next video, I will tell you about interstellar space, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2.